Did you know a realtor doesn't just unlock doors and write offers? I have legal duties to protect your best interests throughout the whole process. Hi, I'm Wilson Liano with eXp Realty. Here's what you should expect from your realtor. Loyalty. Your interests come first, not the other parties, not the lenders, not mine. Confidentiality. Anything that affects your negotiating position stays private, even after we're done working together. Full disclosure. If I know something that could affect your decision, I have to tell you. Reasonable care. I use my experience and judgment to help you make informed decisions from pricing to reviewing offers. Just remember, I'm not a home inspector, lawyer, or mortgage broker. For specialized advice, I'll point you to the right professional. Buying or selling in Red Deer or Central Alberta? Let's talk. I'm Wilson Leno with eXp Realty. Call or text 403-307-5714